This fight is for the UFC World Championship. And introduce ko na po the first fighter, Mark Anthony the Butcher. And his opponent, the second fighter, White Dash Wolf, that's Marlon. Alright, ngayon po, nakahanda na ako mga fighter. Isasarado ang kandado. Nakalak na ho lahat. Nowhere to go. The Butcher and the White Dash Wolf for the UFC World Championship. Alright guys, are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready? Fight! Boom! 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 Boom!
Damn!
Shit! Shit! No! 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 What the fuck? This fight is... Oh my god. Marlon's bleeding off. No! Grabe po si Maki, the Butcher. Oh, submission ako. Submission lang. Nakasubmission lang. Oh! Oh! Oh, matindi ho. Defenseless to si Marlon. Oh! Marlon is bleeding. He's bleeding. Napaka tapang ng fighter na to. He's taking punch. The Butcher is dominating. He's dominating the fight. The fight is very, very hard. This is the world watching ang dalawang brave fighter na to. Oh my god. Okay. Submission hold. Submission hold. Mukhang hindi na ho si Marlon. At nasa on top na naman ho on the Butcher na si Mark Anthony. And he's punching him in the face. What the fuck? The stage is broken. The stage is broken. Sige. Mark Anthony is literally the upper hand. He's the bigger man. He's 73 pounds of muscle and hatred. He's built for this championship. But oh my god, hawak po niya ang paa ni Marlon. Fuck. This guy, Marlon, is the brave fighter. Siya po yung pinakaunang lumaban po rito sa Backyard Championship. Siya po yung pinakaunang lumaban sa Backyard Championship. Okay. This is UFC. You don't do that muna. Pasalamat tayo at no holds barred muna. No disqualification. Drop the chair. Drop the chair. Drop it. Drop the chair. Drop mo muna. Drop mo. Drop the chair. You're a champion. A world champion material. Oh, ayan na. Yan, lumalaban si Marlon. Yan. Marlon. Oops, nasaktan ho nasaktan ho siya. At hawak ko niya. He's damaged on the knees. He's bleeding. Marlon is a brave fighter. And Mark Anthony, oh, knows it! Mark Anthony knows it, guys. What the fuck? No! 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 Mag-reverse ka, Marlon! Mag-reverse ka, Marlon! Kaya mo yan! Mag-reverse ka, Marlon! Mag-reverse ka, Marlon! Mag-reverse ka, Marlon! Mag-reverse ka, Marlon! Reverse! Reverse! He's bleeding. His hand is bleeding. Oh! Elbows! Elbows! Elbows to the head! Elbows to the head! Hindi natin basta-bastang ihinto ang laban para sa respeto sa mga fighters. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang ho ito. Bawal ho dito ang babakla-bakla. Dito, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter kung sino ang matalo o manalo. Remember, Marlon, kaya mo pa. Lumapa ka pa. You can do it, man. You can do it. And the referee is encouraging and motivating Marlon to fight. And Mark Anthony, the butcher. Oh my fucking God! Oh! Ayan! Ayan! Sige! 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 Marlon's fighting back! Tumba siya! Tumba siya! Sige! 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 Tumba siya! Tumba siya! Tumba siya! Marlon is taking attack! Oh! Marlon is attacking! He's attacking! Oh my fucking! Oh, this is... Oh, Marlon has transformed again into the abnormal man that he is. Nag-iba ho si Marlon. Oh, la leg drop. Leg drop. And Maki the Butcher is bleeding. He is bleeding. Naka-submission hold po. Oh, si Marlon. Tinamaan ho si Marlon. Tinamaan ho si Marlon. Tinamaan si Marlon. Tinamaan. Oh shit. And Marlon is not. Oh my God, he's badgering. Marlon is lit. Oh yeah, maganda. Oh my God. Marlon is fighting. Oops. Sinipa ho niya. Oh. Ang ina. This is the championship. Alright. Winner by knockout na to, ha. Oh my God. Sige po. Sige lang. No! Sige, boss. Pagtari mo. Up. The fight is done. And your winner and the new UFC World Champion, The Butcher! Holy shit! The first official win by Mark Anthony, The Butcher. He's bleeding. He's mine. He is... Marlon is nearly down. What a brave warrior. Napakatapang ni Marlon. Props kay Marlon. Napakatapang niya. Wala akong katulad si Marlon. Paulit-ulit yung siyang lumaban. And your UFC World Champion, The Butcher. Ano ang iyong... You can wear it now. You can wear it now, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Siya na ho ang bagong kampiyon. Siya po ang nagwagi ngayon. And we have a new champion. That's Mark Anthony Valdanoy, the UFC World Champion.
Salamat.
Lumakas ka. Marlon is down and he's clearly out of the game. But props po kay Marlon dahil sa pag-support niya at pagpunta niya rito. Lumaban ho siya ng patas.
Susunod na challenge.
Yan.
Takunin ng belt na to. Mark Chester Ratbu. Hindi mo makukuha sa akin ng belt na to. Nakita mo ba nangyari sa kaibigan natin si Marlon? Gumaling siya!
Oo. Okay. Kitang-kita, gumaling siya.
Gumaling siya!
Kung kaya niya pantayan yun.
Kung kaya niyo mong pantayan.
Oh? Looks good, doesn't it? How it feels. Mark Anthony, ending na ho natin. The new World Heavyweight Champion.
Tulong mo
UFC.
sabi ko. Walang makakago ng belt sa akin.
Pops!
Baka nga maligtagan pa.
Isang hamon po yun ni Mark Anthony. Hindi na raw mawawala sa kanyang belt at baka matagtagan pa. Yun. A sign of respect sa dalawang fighter. Napakaganda ng laban na ito. Itong sinasabi ko na respectful at professional fighting. This is the best fight na nangyari sa Backyard Wrestling. Props po kay The Butcher, Mark Anthony, at kay Marlon. Oh, the sign of respect, the ultimate respect of the ultimate fighting champion. Very good, very good. Okay po, panalo na po si Mark Anthony. Oh, behind the scenes, ganda, no? Ganda ng ano niya, boss. Stuyuy!
Hindi.
Ano masabi sa kanya? Ganda.
Grabe. Gumaling siya.
Gumaling.
Nag-improve, boss.
Ganun yung gagawin mo susunod. Gagi ka
Sa
naman.
itong tatapat nila ni Chester.
Ni Chester. Oo.
Diba? Yung...
Tama. Spoil pa natin yung isa na may lalaban daw. Stuyuy. World champion na matino. Matino. Okay. At ayun, maraming salamat sa pagpunta, pre. Salamat sa pagpunta. Marlon, White Dash Wolf, and The Butcher. Okay, parehas best friend. Kayong dalawa yung one frame. Okay. Sige, hug each other, man. Thank you, man. Yeah, ganyan, pwede yan. This is Marlon and Mark Anthony. The friend turned enemies into now best friends. Diba? For the fighting championships. Ayos, boss. Nakarelate na naman kayo.